Welcome to the exciting world of scriptwriting, where stories come to life and characters become real. Picture this: you have a captivating story in your mind, a narrative that's brimming with potential. It's a tale that's begging to be told, but how can you bring it to life? How can you transform your ideas into a compelling narrative that captivates your audience? The answer is scriptwriting. This is the magic of scriptwriting, the art of shaping stories into scripts that light up the stage, the screen, or the page. It's an art that's as old as storytelling itself, but as fresh and relevant as the latest blockbuster or viral video. And it's an art that you can master. Welcome to our course, Scriptwriting Techniques, Engaging Storytelling and Captivating Narratives. This course is your guide to the world of scriptwriting, a journey into the heart of storytelling. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a budding content creator, or simply a lover of good stories, this course is designed to equip you with the tools and techniques you need to craft compelling scripts. Over the span of this course, you'll delve into the fundamentals of scriptwriting. You'll discover the power of storytelling and the role of scripts in various mediums. You'll learn how to create memorable characters that resonate with your audience, how to devise gripping plots that keep viewers on the edge of their seats, and how to write engaging dialogue that rings true. But this course is not just about learning, it's about doing. It's about applying what you learn, flexing your creative muscles, and crafting your own engaging narratives. By the end of this course, you won't just understand the art of scriptwriting, you'll be able to practice it. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Are you ready to dive into the world of scriptwriting and discover the storyteller within? We invite you to join us as we explore the art and craft of scriptwriting, unlocking the secrets of compelling storytelling. Stay with us and explore the essential elements of scriptwriting. Dive into the first module, where we explore the fundamentals of scriptwriting. Welcome to the world where words conjure images and sentences spark emotions. The art of scriptwriting is a dance between the mind and the page, a delicate balance of creativity and structure. It's a journey that begins with a single idea and blossoms into a fully fledged narrative, ready to captivate audiences across various mediums. In this module, we delve into the heart of storytelling, a timeless tradition that's been the lifeblood of human connection for centuries. Stories have the power to inspire, to educate, to entertain, and most importantly, to make us feel. They allow us to explore different worlds, experience diverse perspectives, and engage with complex emotions. And at the helm of every great story is a script. It's the blueprint, the foundation, the DNA of your narrative. Whether you're crafting a film, a play, a podcast, or even a video game, the script is your guide, leading you through the complex labyrinth of storytelling. The art of scriptwriting is about more than just putting pen to paper. It's about understanding the essence of your story and how best to convey it. It's about creating a compelling narrative that hooks your audience from the first line and keeps them engaged until the very end. When writing a script, every word matters. Each sentence, each phrase, each dialogue needs to serve a purpose. Whether it's to develop a character, build tension, or progress the plot. It's a meticulous process, a craft that requires patience, skill, and a dash of inspiration. But it's also a process that's deeply personal. As a scriptwriter, you're not just a storyteller, you're a world builder, a character creator, a puppet master. You have the power to breathe life into your narrative, to shape it, mold it, and ultimately to share it with the world. And that's the beauty of scriptwriting. It's a form of expression, a way to explore the human condition, to reflect society, and to make sense of our own experiences. It's a tool for communication, a platform for ideas, and a canvas for creativity. So, whether you're an aspiring filmmaker looking to bring your vision to life, a playwright hoping to captivate theater audiences, or a content creator aiming to engage your online followers, mastering the art of scriptwriting is a crucial step in your storytelling journey. In this module, we've covered the key principles of scriptwriting, from understanding the importance of a well-crafted script to exploring the role of storytelling in our everyday lives. We've discussed the power of words, the art of narrative structure, and the importance of character development. We've delved into the intricacies of dialogue, the nuances of pacing, and the impact of visual storytelling. Mastering the art of scriptwriting opens the door to countless storytelling possibilities. It arms you with the tools to craft compelling narratives, create unforgettable characters, and captivate your audience. So, let's continue this journey together. exploring the realms of creativity and unearthing the secrets of effective storytelling. Characters are the heart of every story. In Module 2, we delve into the art of character creation. In the vast landscape of storytelling, characters are the vibrant colors that bring your canvas to life. They are the driving force behind every tale, the beating heart that pumps life into your narrative. But what makes a character truly unforgettable? What makes them resonate with your audience? And how can you breathe life into them through your script? Start by understanding your characters inside and out. Know their past, their present, and where they hope to be in the future. Explore their hopes, their dreams, their fears, and their faults. Unearth their secrets, their quirks, their habits. You see, each character is an iceberg, and the part visible to the audience is only the tip. Dive deep beneath the surface, and you'll find a wealth of complexity waiting to be explored. To create characters that are relatable, they must be human, and to be human is to be flawed. Perfection is a myth, and characters that seem too perfect often feel flat and uninteresting. Give your characters strengths, but also give them weaknesses. Make them brave, but let them have moments of fear. Make them wise, but let them make mistakes. It's in these moments of vulnerability that characters truly come alive and resonate with your audience. Remember, character development is not just about who your characters are, but also about how they change. Every story is a journey, and no journey is complete without change. Whether it's a change of heart, a change of mind, or a change of circumstance, allow your characters to evolve as the story unfolds. This growth not only makes your characters more dynamic, but also makes your story more engaging. Now, how do you reveal your characters to the audience? Through their actions, their words, and their choices. Show, don't tell. Instead of telling your audience that a character is brave, show them performing an act of bravery. Instead of telling your audience that a character is kind, show them performing a kind deed. This not only makes your characters more believable, but also makes your storytelling more immersive. Creating memorable characters is an art. It requires patience, understanding, and a lot of creativity. But the reward is worth the effort. For in the end, it's not the plot that your audience will remember, but the characters who made them laugh, made them cry, made them feel. Remember, unforgettable characters make for unforgettable stories. Now let's turn our attention to the backbone of your story, the plot. A strong plot pulls your audience in, holds their attention, and leaves them wanting more. It's the heart of your script's rhythm, pacing, and progression. But how do you master this pivotal part of scriptwriting? First, let's understand what a plot is. The plot is your story's sequence of events. It's the what happens in your script. It's your characters in action, facing challenges, making decisions, and experiencing consequences. Next, let's delve into plot development. Plot development is about how these events unfold and how they are connected. It's about creating a narrative arc that is engaging and satisfying for your audience. The key to effective plot development is to make sure every event has a purpose. Every scene moves the story forward, and every twist surprises and delights. Now, onto plot structure. This is where the three-act structure comes into play. It's a classic storytelling tool that divides your script into three parts: setup, confrontation, and resolution. The setup introduces your characters, their world, and their desires. It's where you plant the seeds for everything that's about to happen. The confrontation, which is often the longest part of your script, is where your characters face their biggest challenges. It's where the tension builds and the stakes get higher. Then comes the resolution. This is where all the threads of your story come together. It's where your characters face the consequences of their actions, and where your audience gets the payoff they've been waiting for. The three-act structure is a powerful tool that can help you craft a compelling, well-paced plot. It's not the only way to structure a script, but it's a tried and tested method that works in almost any genre. Remember, a great plot isn't just about what happens. It's about how it happens, why it happens, and what it means for your characters. It's about making your audience care, keeping them guessing, and leaving them satisfied. A well-crafted plot can turn a good script into a great one. As we wrap up this course summary, remember that script writing is a journey, not a destination. We've journeyed through the art of script writing, explored the creation of memorable characters, and delved into the heart of engaging storytelling. These insights are just the tip of the iceberg, the beginning of your scriptwriting adventure. Each module awaits, brimming with deeper lessons and techniques. Enroll in the full course today and dive deeper into each module. Your journey to scriptwriting mastery awaits.